Hey, what's up guys, KCB-Boy here, back with another video showing you how to unlock the bootloader and root your HTC One using the toolkit method. Now this is basically the easiest way to do it, so I'm going to walk you through it right here. So let's go ahead and get right to it. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to this thread here on XDA and you want to scroll down to the second post, and I will leave links to everything you need down below in the description. And you're going to go to the second post here and you want to click on this link and download the toolkit. So click that right there and go ahead and download it. It is a RAR file, so we'll have to extract it. And if you don't have WinRAR, go ahead and download it from the first post right here. And once you have it extracted, go ahead and open it up where you extracted it to, and you're going to see this folder right here. So you're going to see a folder that says data, and you're seeing an application that says one. Go ahead and open that application up, and it's going to look like this. So you're going to follow these instructions right here to unlock the bootloader first. And so the first thing you want to do is install the HTC drivers. So go ahead and highlight install HTC drivers and go ahead and select go. And once you select go, it'll go ahead and just install it for you. And I already have them installed, so I'm not going to go ahead and hit go. But once you have them installed, you can move on to step 2. Step 2 is register at htcdev.com. So go ahead and hit go. It's going to open up your browser and take you right to the website. And once you're on the website, it's going to look like this. You're going to register. If you don't have an account already, go ahead and do so, and go ahead and just log in and leave it open. So once you're logged in, go ahead and go back to the toolkit and go to step 3. Step 3 is to get the token ID, and you're going to want to make sure that your phone has USB debugging enabled. Alright, so I'm going to go into the settings. I'm going to go to developer options here, hit OK, and I'm going to enable this, and USB debugging is on. So there, I'm good to go now. So now I can set my phone to the side. Go ahead and hit OK on number 3. Go ahead and hit go. And it's going to go ahead and read through all of this here. It's going to tell you exactly what you need to do. Once you've read through all that, go ahead and hit OK. Like I said, USB debugging needs to be enabled. So just hit OK. And this window is going to pop up and your phone is going to boot into the bootloader. So you're going to see that right here. And now it's in the bootloader. You can go ahead and close this window right here. So go ahead and close that, and it's going to give you your token ID. Go ahead and copy it from this first arrow right here. So this first arrow here all the way to this last arrow here. So you want to go ahead and copy it. Go ahead and right click at the top, go to edit, and hit mark. And once you do that, go ahead and highlight it. Go start with the very first arrow and go to the very end like that. And then go ahead and back to the top, go ahead and right click, go to edit, and select copy. Once you have that copy, you can close this window. So I'm going to go ahead and close it and go to step 4, which is submit the token ID, and go ahead and click on go. It's going to open up another browser window, and just go ahead and hit OK here. It's going to open up another browser window, and just wait till the skip button pops up here in the corner so you can skip this ad here. Alright, so the skip button's there. I'm going to go ahead and skip this ad. Once you're on this screen here, you can just go ahead and scroll all the way to the very bottom. Ignore all of this stuff. Just scroll to the very bottom so you get to this white box right here. And once you get to the white box, go ahead and paste in your token ID and hit submit. And once you hit submit, it should say token submitted successfully. You'll be sent an email with the unlock key as a file attachment. So go ahead and check your email and download the unlockcode.bin file. And once you have that downloaded, remember where you downloaded it to, and go ahead and go back to your toolkit here and go to step 5. Once you're on step 5, go ahead and select it and hit go. This is gonna tell you that your phone must say fast boot USB. So make sure it says fast boot USB right on the screen here. So double check that. And it's going to tell you that this will factory reset and wipe your entire phone. So back up all the files that you need to back up before you go ahead and complete this step. And go ahead and hit OK after you're done reading this. So I'm going to hit OK, and it's going to pop up this window here, and this is where you're going to select that unlockcode.bin file that you downloaded. So let me go ahead and do that here, and it's going to go ahead and run it, and this is going to pop up on your screen once you do that. So go ahead and once you go ahead and read all of this here, and then once you're okay with that, go ahead and hit volume up and select yes, and hit the power button to select it. Alright, so we can go ahead and close this window now. So go ahead and close it and hit OK. and you're going to see the phone boot back up here. Okay, so the phone's all booted back up. Now the second thing you need to do is install a custom recovery. So you're going to go to this menu here. You have the option to install Clockwork Mod Touch, or TWRP. I recommend installing TWRP because that will also root your phone at the same time. So I'm going to go ahead and do TWRP, but you can go ahead and do Clockwork Mod or Clockwork Mod Touch if you like, but I definitely recommend TWRP just because it will root your phone and install Super SU for you. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to select Flash Recovery and go ahead and just hit OK after you read all this here. I'm going to hit OK. And once your phone reboots into the bootloader, you can go ahead and close this window. So let's wait for that right here. Alright, so now it's in the bootloader. I'm going to go ahead and close this window, and you're going to see it install the recovery right now. So now it's installed the recovery, I can close this window. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and select bootloader, and I'm going to go ahead and volume down and select recovery and hit the power button. Now you see it's entering the recovery. And there we go. We got Team Win Recovery installed, and now that's installed, just go ahead and select reboot and go ahead and select system. And you're going to see that it says your device does not appear to be rooted. Install Super SU now. This will root your device. And now you have the option to do not install, but I am going to install it because I want root. So I'm going to go ahead and swipe down here at the bottom, and it's going to install it, and it's going to be, and my device should be rooted when it boots back up. Alright, so now my device has booted back up. I'm going to go ahead and show you that it is indeed rooted. So I'm going to go ahead and go to the app drawer here, and you're going to see Super SU Installer. So I'm going to go ahead and tap on that, and you're going to need to complete the installation. So you have two options. You can go ahead and install it through the Play Store or through TWRP. The easiest way is just through the Play Store. So I'm going to go ahead and just select Play, and it's going to take you to the Play Store, and all you're going to have to do is just install it. So I'm going to hit Update and just go ahead and accept it and hit OK, and I'm just gonna let it install here, and there we go. And there we go. Now we have Super SU, and just to go ahead and verify that we do indeed have root, I'm going to go to the Play Store, and we're going to go ahead and look for Root Checker. So go ahead and download Root Checker. There we go. And go ahead and hit install and accept. And we'll go ahead and open it, and go ahead and read through all this and just hit agree. And you can just go ahead and hit OK here and just tap on verify root access. And you're going to want to grant it super user permission. So go ahead and hit grant. And then there you go. It says congratulations, this device has root access. So there you go, guys. That's pretty much it. Pretty easy to do. So like I said, all links will be down below in the description, everything that you need. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe to me as well. I definitely appreciate it. So that's pretty much it, guys. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.